Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personalized shopping experience with Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a personalized shopping experience with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section and click on themes. Choose the theme you want to customize or explore Shopify's theme store for more options. Select Customize to open the theme editor. Focus on the home page layout first. Add sections that highlight personalized collections or featured products. Use the product recommendations feature to suggest items based on customer behavior. Go to Online Store and then Preferences. In the Preferences, enable customer accounts to allow users to create profiles. This feature helps collect valuable data like purchase history and preferences. Next, install apps from the Shopify App Store that enhance personalization. Look for apps that provide AI-based product recommendations or customer segmentation. Set up automated email marketing campaigns. Utilize personalized messaging based on user behavior, such as abandoned cart reminders. Now, consider implementing a loyalty program. Use an app to reward customers for purchases, referrals, or social media engagement. Create a seamless checkout experience by offering multiple payment options. This will cater to your customers' varying preferences. Next, incorporate personalized search features on your online store. Use filters and sorting options to allow customers to find products quickly. Engage with customers through personalized content. Add blogs or guides that resonate with your target demographics' interests. Monitor analytics regularly to track customer behavior. Evaluate what works and adjust your strategy based on the insights. Remember, consistent branding and a user-friendly interface enhance the overall experience. Lastly, continuously gather feedback from your customers. This will help you refine and improve the personalized shopping experience over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.